we have our co-host squared away. He is a lot of work, you guys. And on this video, I'm going to unbox one more package. And it's okay to unbox it with our Madam Glam because this package in particular is from our very own SXC Cosmetics. And you guys, these are the Colorverse nail art liners. My scissors are in the bathroom. I was using them to give Alton a little trim. So this is like all new from SXC, and I'm a little behind, y'all. It's not technically all new because I'm late, but the formula is all new. You guys know that we have unboxed plenty of liners from SXC, and I have an update for you guys about some of the stuff that we have unboxed before that I'm going to be giving away. However, the first thing that I'm seeing that I really like from this is the fact that these are shorter bottles. Can you guys see that? I love this. This is much more manageable. And I feel like this is going to really resolve the issue with having so much of that paint that builds up on the stick. This is amazing. Slam dunk SXC. Thank you so much. Now, I do think that the formula is the perfect amount of, like, the color opacity is awesome, and then the what would it be called, the consistency. Sorry, y'all, it's been a minute. The consistency. Glowing goddess. I don't mind if I do, babe. Don't effing mind if I do. Okay. Wow. Do you know I love when brands actually listen to me? You guys, can you tell me what we notice about these? That's so different. Where are my liners? I should pull them out. I'm being lazy. Hold on. Where are they? I don't even know where they are right now. I'm not even gonna tell you guys. I'm so freaking, oh my gosh. This one's called Apricot or, all right, I'll spill the beans. They have names. They don't just have numbers, they have names. Oh my, I'm so happy. This formula is giving, okay? I can actually draw solid lines. Like, you guys, I feel like, I don't know if you guys are really able to see this, but let's just look again. Hold on. Look. Fully opaque, not runny, line is giving. I can draw thick lines, thin lines. I really commend SXC for this because you know why? They have been putting out gel art liners for over a year, and all this time they have not been perfect. The formulas have not been perfect. The collections have not been perfect. This feels perfect. It feels perfect. Mocha Magic, Peony Pink, like the names. Periwinkle Pop, Lilac Love, Hazelnut Haze, Chocolate Chunk, Caramel Crave. Like, this is so awesome. Oh my gosh. Ocean Bliss, Sky Sapphire, Magenta Magic, Sunflower Soak, Olivia Oasis. And they're very, look, Iridescent Ice, Buttercup Bliss. This is Copper Craze. Okay, Shimmering Beige. Let's try this one. Shimmering Beige. Let's see. It doesn't have a shimmer to it. Mocha Pop, Rosy Bronze, Forest Ombre, Seafoam Sparkle. Oh, I'm so excited. And you know what I also love about this? One, you don't really need a lot of polish when you have gel art liners. So the fact that they made the bottle smaller is awesome because you don't need a lot. Also, they're way lighter. This box has, I think it's 60 60 colors. It's super lightweight. Also, you guys, there is a 20% off code here. You guys feel free to use it. My code is only like 10% or something. So try SXC 20 for 20%. They do offer the 1-year limited warranty. They have one thing about SXC Cosmetics that I have always loved is that they are very professional. They always have all of their social media and everything right here for you. And then it also says that thin layers, to use thin layers, it's just because that way it can cure properly, because the colors are highly opaque. But would you guys like to see me swatch out every single color? Drop a comment and let me know, and I'll consider. So moving on, we're gonna go ahead and do my nails, and I don't really know how to zoom in on here. Hold on. Okay, here we go. So I'm using a new setup, and I don't really know exactly how to work everything, but it seems like it's going good, so that's a plus. I need to soak and everything, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and play some music. I'm gonna turn off the face cam for now. I'm gonna let you guys watch me do my nails. What did I just do? I don't know. Don't ask, don't tell. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys watch me do my nails, and then I'm gonna let you guys watch me do my prep, and then we're gonna do our nails together. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I have finally finished with my prep. Except for I want to show you guys that I'm just going to be going in with Elsa's Tier by Model 1s for my base today. This is going to be like my peel off base layer. It's been so long since I have done my nails, you guys, and since I've done nails in general. So tomorrow my friend is coming over and she's gonna get her nails done, and I'm super excited. I normally don't do the nails right after the prep. I like to wait. I like to do a really good prep, because that was a prep that I haven't done prep in like weeks. So normally after a prep like that, like for example, because I get cuts from like super dry cuticles, then I would just wait until like the next day to actually apply any product, so that any open cuts can have time to heal. So we do not want to flood the cuticle. We want to be pretty gentle. Take it easy. So we're gonna do that. Alright, and while I'm doing this, I want to talk to you guys. How's your guys' summer? I would like to know what everyone has been doing. I went like totally AWOL from social media. Like, I don't have personal social media that I'm using or anything. And it has been so peaceful. I cannot express how much I enjoy it. And I just been able to kind of be like meditating all the time. My mind is pretty blank and at ease, because I don't have anything going into my brain that I don't have control over. So it's very liberating and very freeing and powerful. How are you guys liking this color by Model 1s? It's one of my all-time favorites. I rarely use this on my channel because it is the true sauce. So anyways, I'm going to be making some burgers and potatoes for dinner, and I'm excited. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready. So after I do this, I'm going to be taking a break to go cook, and probably to eat after I cook. And while I might just have the kids cook, honestly, because they need something to do. And then I'll probably film the first hand and show you guys the second. I'm going into my Chiaroscuro lamp on the 90-second mode, because this lamp is crucial. It's very strong, and when it's fully charged, you definitely have to use it on the 90-second mode. And then we're going to go ahead and do these. But yeah, so that's my peel off base coat layer. I love to use Model 1s because it actually peels off if you use a little bit of oil underneath of it, which I did. I used the Young Nails. And I wanted to tell you guys that my cuticles were super dry. And I actually forgot one step that I have been implementing, which is to apply cuticle oil to the cuticles before soaking and before doing any work on them. That typically makes it to where you have a flawless finish, like so. So I did kind of mess up on that part because I kind of forgot. And like the whole time I'm like, it feels like I've had amnesia, which is like when you go into sort of like a disassociative state for me. So I just want to give you guys an update on everything. How do you like my earrings, by the way? And Alton, our co-host, he's over here napping in his bed. He has a nice luxurious bed, and every time I take him out, he's always getting so much attention, and everyone's like, is that a poodle? And I'm like, yes. And they're like, what kind? And they want to know. But yeah, I'm super happy. Life is good, and definitely been persevering. So after that, then I typically will go in with an alcohol prep pad and make sure that I get off any sticky layers, tacky layers, incubation layer, whatever you like to call it. And with that, I like to go ahead over to the next hand, but I'm trying to decide like how I want to apply these nails. I have been waiting to use, I have a delivery at the door, you guys. Okay, I know you're here. I've been waiting to use a acrylic powder. I'll be right back.